Question 4. In a pencil case, there were 13 pencils and the rest were pens. Altogether, there were 19 items in the pencil case. How many were pens? This question is about a pencil case, which is the whole, and in there was one part which were pencils and the other part that were pens. So I'm going to put my pencil case as my whole on the top bar. I will put the number of pencils as one part and the number of pens as the other part. In a pencil case, there were 13 pencils. So the part I know is the pencils, and that's 13. I would draw that bar 13 centimetres. And the rest were pens. So far, I don't know how many pens there are. Altogether, so this is my whole, there were 19 in the pencil case. So the whole number of pens and pencils is 19. How many, that's my unknown, were pens? So I need to find the number of pens. I know the whole and I know this part, but this part is unknown. The plan I'm going to use is whole subtract part equals part. The whole of 19 subtract the part of 13 will give me the part that I don't know, which is the pens. 19 subtract 13 equals 6. There were 6 pens. I'm going to check my 6 pens by putting it into the diagram and see if it makes sense. A part of 13 add a part of 6 does equal a whole of 19. So that is correct. The last thing I need to check is that I've answered the question. How many were pens? 6 were pens.